Hey guys, this is Ryan Hamilton. You're watching the Panda MX5 channel, and today we're going to be installing Flyin Miata heavy-duty sway bar mounts on my 1994 Mazda Miata. Alright, so the parts we're going to be changing out today are these flimsy sway bar mounts on the stock in a Miata. There's two bolts right here, and then on the inside of the engine bay there's another two right here, but first I have to remove this bracket. Alright, so to remove the bracket, you need a 10mm socket. Alright, now the bracket's off, so we can begin removal of the stock sway bar mount. Alright, so now that we're on to removing the bracket, there's two 12mm bolts on each side, and also a spot weld in the middle of each side that we have to drill out. So I'm going to go ahead and take all the bolts out and then drill out the spot welds. Alright, now we'll get the two on the other side. Alright, so now to drill out the spot welds, I'm using a 5/16 drill bit, and there's one here and then one on the other side where the other two bolts were. Alright, now for the other side. Alright, so I got both the spot welds drilled out right here. Now I'm just going to take a crowbar and try and pry it off of the frame. Here's one side and the other side. So this is the old flimsy mount that we're going to be replacing with the Flyin Miata heavy duty one. Alright, so I went ahead and took off the other side the exact same way as the driver's side. So this is the old flimsy mount, and these are the new Flyin Miata mounts. They have way more structural integrity than the flimsy OEM ones, and they also include all new hardware. So let's go ahead and get these installed. Alright, so we're ready to install the new Flyin Miata heavy-duty sway bar brackets with the brand new included hardware. I'm just going to put a little bit of Never Seez on them and then get them installed. What I found works the best is to start one bolt, then get the next one, and then get the next one, and then get the next one, because it requires a little bit of hammering to get to fit right around the frame rail right there. Alright, let's go around to the other side, get those other two bolts started. Alright, so I'm just going to hammer it up a little bit to get these holes to line up, and then start in the last two bolts. There we go. A little dab of Never Seez on these. tightening these down with a 13mm socket. You don't want to tighten these down all the way, just get them right to where they're almost there, then hammer it into place the rest of the way and then finish torquing them down. Let me get those two on the other side and then we'll finish getting it into place. Alright, just torque the ones on the other side and then everything's all good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. So that was the install of the Flyin Miata heavy duty sway bar brackets for the NA or NB Miata. And in our next video we're going to be installing my fully rebuilt custom subframe.